Are you ready to take your digital marketing expertise to the next level? Look no further than Macintosh Marketing's Digital Marketing Fundamentals course. This 5-week program is designed to provide you with everything you need to know to excel in the ever-changing digital marketing industry. Not only will you learn about the key components of digital marketing, but you'll also gain insight into how it affects all types of businesses. And that's not all. Our course also teaches you how to build an internal digital team and provide software recommendations for real-time use. But here's what really sets us apart. Our course will challenge you with real-life scenarios and case studies that you can implement in your business today. This is the type of hands-on learning that will give you a competitive edge. Who should take this course? Marketing professionals who want to enhance their knowledge and stay up to date with the latest digital strategies. Freelancers and consultants who are looking to offer digital marketing services to their clients. Job seekers who are interested in pursuing a career in digital marketing. Website owners or bloggers who want to attract more traffic and monetize their online platforms. And finally, students or individuals who are interested in exploring the dynamic field of digital marketing. With Macintosh Marketing's Digital Marketing Fundamentals course, you'll gain the essential skills and knowledge needed to thrive in the digital landscape. Don't miss out. Register now.